combination is a very popular counting technique. It is the number of ways in which R objects chosen from n distinct objects. The order of chosen object is not important. The combination formula, there are three ways to write it. You can write NCR, so that means n choose R, or C parenthesis n comma R, that is also means n choose R, or n factorial divided by R factorial times n minus R factorial. The difference between combination and permutation formula is, in the permutation formula, there is no R factorial in the denominator, but there is a R factorial in the combination. Combination has two characteristics. The order of chosen object is not important, and then number two is you cannot switch the order of the chosen object to generate new outcomes. So for example, if one of the results is ABC, you cannot switch the order, such as ACB, BCA, CAB. So ABC counts as one outcome. That's it. There is no way to move the ABC around to generate new outcomes. The result of ABC is one count, so nothing else can be moved around. So let's take a look at this simple example. A family of three, dad, mom, and me, is lining up to take a family portrait. How many pictures can be taken if the order is not important? So when the order is not important, then this is a combination problem. So this one, you can draw it out. So let's say dad means A, mom is B, and me is C. So you line up to take a picture, right? So for a combination problem, so this is what you can do. So let's say A, B, and C. Is the job done? Yes, the job is done. That's it. So how many pictures can be taken? The answer is one picture. But can we switch mom and dad or mom and me? The answer is no, because the order is not important. Order is not important means you cannot switch the A, B, and C to generate new outcomes. So let's say you don't like A, B, and C. You can erase that and then just write, let's say B, A, C, and this is one picture. That's it. Nothing. There is nothing else we can do. So we take one picture, mom, dad, and me. That's it. The job is done. Everybody can go home. So how do you write the combination formula? So the combination formula is, you have combination, you have 3 choose 3, and then this is 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 3 minus 3 factorial. So 3 and 3, so this is already cancelled, and then you have 1 divided by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is equals to 1, so 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1. And then you might say, all right, so for the A, B, and C, I learned permutation in the past. So in the permutation, I can do this A, B, and C, and then A, C, B, and then B, C, A, B, A, C, and then C, A, B, and then C, B, A. But the total is 6 pictures in permutation. You're right. If you are doing permutation, the order is important. Order is important means you can switch those people to generate more outcomes. That is, order is important. So when order is important, you have 6 pictures. Because that is less strict, order is important and less strict, you can switch peoples around to generate new outcome. But for combination, there is no way to switch them. So what if you give me this list and then ask me to do a combination? So I have 6 outcomes right in front of you. So I have 6 different pictures. So if you ask me to do a combination for you, I would just say take 1 picture only. So you have 6, right? Okay, grab 1 and then take it with you. That's it. You grab 1 picture and then take it away. That's all. You cannot take all 6 of them when you do combination and when the order is not important. So that is the difference. Again, permutation, order is important. You can switch those three people and then to generate more outcome. For combination, order is not important. You cannot switch those people to generate more outcomes. Now, what if one person has to hold on to the camera? Then this will be a combination problem. You have 3 people in your family and you can only fit 2 people in one picture because one person has to hold on to the camera. So this is a 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, and then 3 minus 2 factorial. So 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. And then the 1 factorial is just equals to 1. and then you get rid of the 2 and 1, so therefore you have 3 pictures. If one person has to hold on to the camera, so let's say my dad is holding the camera, then I can do me, mom, and me. That's it. Do not switch B and C. So let's say mom is holding the camera, then that will be dad and me in the picture. So let's say I am holding the camera, then my dad and mom will be in the picture. Can we switch the BC, AC, and AB? The answer is no. When the order is important, you do combination. Do not switch them. All right. So moving on to the calculator part. So calculate combination using TI84 or TI83 plus. So you have to click the math button. So the math button is right below alpha and on the left side of the apps button. So you go to math and then you see math, nums, complex, and then probability, and then fraction, right? So for the older calculator, you might not see the last one, the fraction, FRAC. So go to math. Sorry, go to math and then you go to PROB or PRB, so probability, and then do you see line 3 is combination. So you click that for the TI84 plus CE. You have the second screenshot you see on the video, and then you have to fill out the blank. So let's say 5 choose 3, 6 choose 3, 10 choose 3. So this one I will click NCR. So let's say I have 5 people in my family and I want to fit 3 people in one picture. So I can take 10 different pictures. And then let's try this again. So you go to math and then probability and then do the NCR. So let's say you have 6 people in your family. You want to fit 4 people in one picture. Then you can take 15 different pictures. Okay, for some older calculator, if you want to do the 6 choose 4, you will have to type a 6 first. For the newer calculator, they will just let you do the typing after you selected the combination. For the older calculator, you cannot. And by the way, I have said the word combination many times, and I know some of you use a combination lock, right? So combination lock, you have to set 3 digits to open the lock. Let me tell you this. Combination in this counting method and the combination lock you are using, they are not related at all. They are 2 different subjects. All right. Combination is a computation method. It is not the combination lock you are using. All right. So let's do an example. A hospital has 40 staff members. In how many ways can a committee of 5 be found to investigate salary discrepancy? So there are 40 members in a hospital. You want to take 5 of them. Is the order important? No, because I am not giving them any specific positions. I take 5 people out. That's it. You have 40 students right in front of you. You want to take 5 people out and then form a team. That's it. 5 people is 5. You are not switching them in any order. So the order is not important. You take 5 people out, then the job is done. You are not giving them any specific position. If you want to assign them a specific position, like the president, vice president, treasurer, secretary, in that case, the order is important, then that will be a combination problem. So this one, you have to do 40 choose 5, right? So you have to do 40 choose 5, so combination. By the way, for combination, so you have 40 choose 5, right? There is another way to write combination, and that way is pretty popular. You draw a parenthesis, 40 choose 5. There is no line between the 40 and 5. This is a combination representation. 40 choose 5. This is not a fraction. So, and then you do 40 factorial divided by 5 factorial times 40 minus 5 factorial, right? So you have 40 factorial, 5 factorial, and then 40 minus 5 is 35 factorial. Let's open this up a little bit. So for 40, you can do 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, and then 35, and then keep on moving. But I would like to put a stop at 35 because I am going to get rid of the 35 in the bottom, and then you have 5 factorial. So you get rid of the 5s, the 35s, and then here is what you can do. You type a parenthesis, 40 times 39 times 38 times 37 times 36, look at my calculator, and then divide by, open parenthesis, 5, and then you type a factorial. You go to math, probability, and then you select the 4th line, factorial. and then close parenthesis, that is equals to 658,008. So you can form that many committees. What about using the combination command? Use the combination command, you go to math, and then probability, you select the line, the third line, NCR. So NCR, you have 40 members, you want to form a committee of 5, so 40 choose 5, you get 658,008. Okay. Next one, a math department has 18 professors. In how many ways can a hiring committee of 6 be formed? The order is not important, right? 18 people, I grab 6 out. The order is not important. So this one will be 18 choose 6. So you do combination 18 choose 6, or you do 18 choose 6. I like this one better, 18 choose 6. And then this is 18 factorial divided by 6 factorial, and then 18 minus 6 factorial. So that is 18, and then 6, and then 12. And then let's open this up. So the 18 is 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12. Put a stop and then put a factorial sign. So I can get rid of the factorial. I still have a 6 factorial in there, and then you get rid of the factorial. Okay, and then the rest, you just type the multiplication. So this will be 18 times 17 times 16 times 15 times 14 times 13, and then divided by 6 math probability factorial. There you go, 18,564. So 18,564. So this is using the step-by-step style. If you want to use the command, you go to math, and then probability, you select NCR, so that is line 3, and then you type 18, and then you choose 6, so that is equals to the same thing. All right, do we have another one? Yep. In an English class, a student has to write 4 essays from a list of 19. So then this will be 19 choose 4, because the order is important. At the end of the day, you turn in those 4 essays. The order is not important. 19 essays. Let's say like 19 problems on a test. You do 4 of them. You get scores on those 4 problems. The order is not important, right? So this is the order is not important, then that is a combination problem. So you do a combination, 19 choose 4, 19 choose 4. So this is 19 factorial divided by 4 factorial, and then 19 minus 4 factorial. So this is 19 on top, and then 4, and then 15. All right, let's open this up. So we have 19, 18, 17, 16, and then 15 factorial divided by 15 factorial, and don't forget there is a 4 factorial, and then get rid of the 15 factorial, and then let's see. So we have 19, 18, 17, 16, and then the product divided by 4, and then you go to math, and then probability factorial. So you have 3,876 ways to choose these 4 essays. And then using the combination command, you go to math, probability, and then NCR, line 3. And then you have 19, and then you choose 4, click enter, there you go. I highly recommend you to write everything out if this is your first time doing combination. So after you get used to it, then just go straight to the answer. But let's say in a pre-statistic class, I am giving a handwritten test. I will ask my student to show the whole thing, because this is I assume this is your first time learning this. On the test, I do want to see your work. But if you are doing homeworks online, exams online, well, then just use the shortcut then. You pay $100 for TI84 plus, right? So why don't you, enjoy your $100 spending? That is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is clear and helpful, give me a like, share the video for me. If you are on your way out, click the subscribe button for me. Appreciate for your help. See you all in the next one. Signing out for now.